Hello, dear students. This is our 7th number program. The program is write a program to display all the Pronic number in a range. What are Pronic numbers? In the previous program, program number 6, we have studied about Pronic number. Pronic number is a number which is product of two consecutive integers. That is, a number n is a product of x plus x into x plus 1. That means if we can represent a number as product of two consecutive number, it becomes a Pronic number. For example, 6. 6 can be represented as product of 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are consecutive number. So we can say that 6 is a Pronic number. In the previous program, program number 6, we explained a program which determined whether an entered number is Pronic or not. In this program, what we are doing, we are trying to find all the Pronic number within a range. So after taking input from the user, we will take the initial and final value. Since this program gives a Pronic number within a given range, let us first take the lower limit and upper limit from the user. So in this line, input the lower limit. We are requesting the user to enter the initial value, which we are accumulating in variable A. Similarly, in this line, B is equal to sc.nextInt, we are accepting the second value. That means the upper limit in variable B. So we have got our range. A is the lower value of the range, B is the upper value of the range. And now we are executing a program. Here we have taken two loops. The external loop will generate the number between the lower limit A and the upper limit B. And the internal loop will check whether it is a Pronic number or not. So suppose I have given a number starting from 0 to 100. A is 0 and B is 100. That means this program will check all the number between 0 and 100 and find whether they are Pronic or not. Let us take an instance. For example, let us look at the instance when the value of I is 6. Let us assume the instance when the value of I is 6. So what happens? 6 first enters the variable num. Now this logic will check whether that 6 is Pronic number or not. What we are doing, we are simply executing a number from 0 to 6 and checking all the scenario. First 0 into 1, then 1 into 2, then 2 into 3, all the possible consecutive number we are multiplying and checking whether the product is equal to num or not. If somewhere this condition matches, so in our test case, which is 6, this will match when the value of j is 2. That means 2 into 3 is equal to 6. In that scenario, what will happen? The status of flag will change from 0 to 1 and the program and the loop will terminate. All right, loop will terminate, the internal loop will terminate, and we will come to this stage. Here we are checking the status of flag. If flag is 1, we are simply printing that number. And again, we are resetting the flag to 0 and commencing the whole program for the next number. Now num will become 7, then it will become 8, then it will become 9. One by one, the number from lower limit to upper limit will come in variable num, and they are checked whether it is Pronic number or not. If it is Pronic, it is printed. If it is not, it will not be printed. Let us execute this program. So let me give the lower limit. Lower limit I will give 0. Upper limit let me give 100. So here is our Pronic number 0, 2, 6, 12 till 90 we are getting. All right. Hope you have understood this program. Thank you.